What is the difference or advantage of AI methods compared to DOE?
That is a great question that I'm happy to answer. I will say that is probably one of the most frequent questions that I get every single day. So first, definition of DOE, I'm sure most of you are familiar, stands for design of experiments. It's a very common way of approaching product development in the industry. Let me state that design of experiment is very valuable. There's a reason that people have been using it for decades. It is very valuable in specific use cases. Where I see AI and machine learning and materials informatics, it is the next iteration of DOE. It's the next iteration of design of experiment. And how it really differentiates is design of experiment is very helpful if you want to explore relationships between just a few variables. So maybe you know that I want to keep these three things static, and maybe I want to manipulate these one or two variables to see how that affects my outputs. If you are working in that small parameter space, design of experiment can offer benefit in that area. Where we see design of experiment fall short and where AI and machine learning really shows more significant tangible benefits is in that higher dimensional space. So maybe you have several different potential ingredients or raw materials, you have several different processing conditions, you're not exactly sure exactly which variables you need to manipulate. That setting up a design of experiment in that parameter space is going to be very, very, very tedious, and in often case it will just be impossible. It will be feasibly impossible for you to explore and run all of the experiments necessary to get a beneficial design of experiment. And so machine learning and AI is actually very, very good at looking through that high dimensional space and learning from all of your available data, both your historical data and also new data that you capture. So AI is very good at uncovering those complex non-linear relationships that DOE can't capture. So very short summary, DOE is helpful if you are exploring within known boundaries, but once you get outside of those known boundaries, AI and machine learning are going to help you predict and optimize beyond them.